here with Florida landscaper Rachel DeToro, who wants to tell us about something she calls landscape lasagna.
It's landscape lasagna. It's just a way to cook some good soil. And we're going to layer one organic material over the next.
And what did you start with here?
This is some very good mushroom compost. And it comes from the local mushroom farm where they grow the mushrooms you buy in the grocery store.
Okay, and then let's say the cheese layer that's going over the lasagna is what? What are you using there?
I love pine bark mulch. It's
Okay.
a byproduct of milling up your 2x4s and plywood.
Okay.
And you can get it finely ground. We call it soil conditioner sometimes when it's ground up very fine, but it just matches perfectly onto the compost.
Okay, and the next layer after that then?
Well, you can use anything that you have. If you have grass clippings from your lawnmower, or we have some seaweed that we collected from a beach nearby.
And you kind of dried this out a bit?
I dried it and rinsed it a little bit, and then we layered it right on.
Okay.
We let that stay.
Okay, and then the next after that?
And then I would like to put another layer of compost with that.
Okay, and then after that, I assume the straw comes into play.
It does. You'd be ready to plant at any time. Cultivate it up a little bit, and it stirs it all together, and then you can put a nice layer of straw on top.
Okay, well here in Florida, of course, pine straw is everywhere, but what are some of the other methods or type top coatings that can be used from other parts of the country?
Leaf mulch is fabulous.
Okay.
You can just use any leaves that you have in your neighborhood.
Great, well, it sounds like it would work here, but I'm not sure it would be so tasty.